Welcome to the House of Gems channel. This is our 6th video of our 101 series, and today we will be talking about crimps and how to use them. This video will go over what crimps are, the different types, and how to use them. If you ever wonder what crimps are used for, this video is for you. What are crimps? Crimps are tiny tubes that are used to secure a threaded piece of jewelry close. Crimps come in 2 shapes and multiple sizes. The first kind is a crimp bead. They are hollow tubes that are rounded to look like a bead. Second kind is a straight tube. They come in multiple widths and lengths, so choose the one that fits your project the best. What can crimps be used on? Crimps are used on beading wire. Crimps are not meant for thread. They may slip and possibly damage the fibers of the thread used. Most, if not all, beading wire packaging will indicate what size crimp beads or tubes to use. Here is a chart from Beadalon that shows what crimp size is used with what wire cord diameter. So how do you use a crimp? You can easily create a loop on both ends of your strung jewelry wire to hook whatever findings you need in order to finish off your piece. Take for instance this bracelet. You can see here that a crimp secures a loop in order to fit a hook clasp on one end and an eye clasp on the other end. First, slide a crimp onto the wire and loop through the wire again like shown. You will then use a pair of crimping pliers to flatten and fold over the crimp. There are multiple sizes for crimping pliers as well, so make sure to check if you have the right tool. If you do not have a crimping plier, it is perfectly acceptable to use a flat nose plier to flatten the crimp. It will take up a little more space, but works the same. Before continuing your project, just make sure that the crimp is secure. Once you have checked, cut off any excess wire and continue beading. Repeat the steps at the end to secure the other end of the jewelry piece close. And there you have it. Now you know how to use a crimp bead. Have any questions for us or a request? Leave a comment below. Stay tuned for next week's video where we talk about different types of crimp covers and how they are used. Thank you for watching. We will see you next week.